Here are the top 5 fish I've kept in my planted aquarium and didn't have a problem. Platies and mollies is a great choice. They have bright coloration but keep them in a school because they can be aggressive. Panda corridoras is a great choice. They are very interactive but they choose to be in a school of 6 to at least 8 to be very active. And yes, the tank you are seeing right now is my own tank that I have started about 6 days ago, and this is my experience with the fish. Coming at number 3, we have the pygmy corridoras, which is very interesting. They are very small, but they are very active. Keep them in at least a school from 4 to 8 if you have the space. At number 2 on the list, we have guppies. They are very interactive, but just be careful because they can be really sensitive to water parameters, water flow, and especially tank mates who naps on their fins. Number 1 is the cardinal tetra, which looks a lot like the neon tetra, but is very more hardy and it has very better colorful coloration. And that is it for today.